Hi guys, if you've been waiting to know what's happening in the month of June in Windsor Essex County's real estate market, here's a quick update for you. People who have been waiting to get into their first homes from the last year and who have been counseling for a long time, some people took action last year and they got into the house that they wanted in the price point that they wanted because prices were lower last year and interest rate was lower last year. This year, people who have said no and they wanted to wait for the prices to go down, for the interest rates to go down. Unfortunately, it's not been happening this year. The prices and the interest rate has been going up consistently, as we have seen this year. And in June, there was another hike, and I've been telling people who have been calling me that there is also going to be another hike in July, and it would probably it's still gonna go up in later this year, if not for July, because inflation cannot be curbed without the interest rate being high. So if you want to get into your first home and build equity, the sooner you take the action to get pre-qualified, the better it would be for your future. And if you have any questions about being pre-qualified, you can call me at 647-806-5444.